Tatlong trait ni Izanagi na sure akong hindi pa alam ng magagaling na trader. Hello everyone, this is John P. Always your Mr. Wise Investor, ang ka-discard trader mo sa investing na easy para sa taong busy. Trait number 1. Si Izanagi daw ay isang counter-trender. What? Si Izanagi can go with or against a trend. Since si Izanagi ay using a 5-minute time frame to commit a trade. Baka kasi yung sinasabi mo ay higher time frame. So meaning, Izanagi can go with or against the trend. Ibalik kaya kita sa foundation ng multi-time frame analysis. Trait number 2. Mataas ang drawdown ni Izanagi. Yes, basically pwede. Pero on what basis? Highest drawdown or this year? Objectively, Izanagi has 39% drawdown only on its first year, 25% on its second year, and you know what? This year, Izanagi is only had 5% drawdown. Ikaw, na-track mo na ba yung latest drawdown mo? O 2 weeks account lang yan? Sa sobrang baba nga ng drawdown this year, most of the traders who said na mataas yung drawdown, mataas nga yung drawdown nila kasi tinitrade nila on their own manually. Tapos in the end, sinisisi kay Izanagi. Di ba nakakatawa? Remember that Izanagi is there to trade for you while you're sleeping. Trait number 3. Maliit lang daw yung gains ni Izanagi. Yes and no. Let me start by saying no kasi kung matagal ka na kay Izanagi, nasasabayan mo siya using the technique na itinuturo natin, it can give you more returns. Of course, depende yan sa goal mo. Because this year, only Izanagi is performing 1 to 3% this month compared to its previous years, which is 3 to 5% per month. On its first year, around 10% at least per month. But, tingnan mo yan, that 3% can generate 36% a year, or that 2% can give you 24% a year. Not bad, di ba? Of course, if you want to compare with other investment, that's actually still higher. That gives you mga majority of 6% annually. The best part is, yung profit mo monthly can be withdrawable. Hindi siya ipet to your account. And not just that, 3 years performance na yan, ha? What Izanagi stands out from the rest because of its risk management properties. The team behind will do its best to protect your capital as an utmost priority and profits follow. Kaya ang profit varies from an average yearly and monthly. And of course, may option ka naman to trade on your own if you want more profits. Kaso lang, I think yung gusto mo, wala kang ginagawa, tapos kumikita ka ng mas malaki. San ka pa? Pwede ba yun? Para mo namang sinabing mag-open tayong ng negosyo, tapos gusto mo malaki yung income, eh hindi mo naman alam yung binogosyong pinapasok mo. Kaya in the end, madaming nag-e-end up sa scam. Nakakalungkot, di ba? Always remember that Izanagi is a tool. It's not there to predict the market, but it's there to trade the market. But you know what? This is the good news. The community that you are into has values. And values can only be words on a page. Be effective. They must shape into action. And that's the reason why one of the major factors Izanagi is there for the past 3 years. My question is, do we have the same values? See you in the next video.